Okay, here we go with the roots quiz. Okay, select the expression equal to that thing there. Now what that thing there is, anytime you have that little 3 there, that means you have a what's called a cube root. Um, cube root. Okay, right there. We're used to dealing with square roots. And we'll be dealing with that like here when we get to question 2, square roots. But anytime you have that 3 there, that's called a cube root right there. Okay, what we can do, a few different ways to do this, but kind of the fastest way might be to come over here and use the calculator. So we'll put that 3 in there, and the calculators we have in class might be a little bit different, so I might have to show you how to navigate that. But now, the third root of 48 is 3.63. I don't know. Okay, that's fine. What we're going to do then is we're going to look down this list and we're going to see, okay, which of these is equivalent to that. All right, so let's take that first one. Now you've got, that means 2 times. I don't put that multiplication in there, but we have to recognize is that means 2 times the third root of 6. So we're going to make this the third root of 6. 2 times the third root of 6. 3.63. Okay, perfect. So we see that those values are the same. So that's the one we want. You know, and I kind of went over the first race there, 48, because we saw that when we calculated this third root of 48, that's not what you ended up getting. So there you go. And this one, which value is the square root of 100? Okay, so what they're looking for is this square root of 100. All right, that's going to be 10. All right, just because when we have a square root, what we're looking for is a number times itself. It gives you that number. So we know that 10 times 10 gives us the 100. So that's that square root of 100. The other way to look at that would be to do this. You could just come in here, square root of 100, 10. All right, so another way to do it. All right, a cube root of a number is between 3 and 4. Which of the following could be the value of that number? All right, cube root again. So let's go down this list here. Let's just start with 10. So we're going to take the cube root of 10. The cube root of 10 is 2.15. Well, you're looking for a number between 3 and 4. So that's not it. So I wonder if we can go up there and change that. No, I guess not. Anyway, let's go back to the third root of 15. Oh, I went too much with that. Sorry. Let's see. Cube root of 15. 2.46. No, we're still trying to get between 3 and 4 right there. So let's take the third root of, I did that wrong, sorry. Third root of 30. 3.1, well 3.1 is between 3 and 4, so there we go, right there. Okay, 0.6 is the cube root of what value? All right, so similar stuff there. I don't know, I'm pretty sure it's not 18. Well, I don't know, let's give it a shot. Let's go third root of 18. 2.6. No. Okay, so let's go the third root. I'm going to skip over 216 because it's not going to be that one. Third root of 0.216. Going to the third choice here. 0.6. There we go. The square root of a number is between 6 and 7. Which of the following could be the value of that number? We could go down this list if we needed to. Matter of fact, we'll take that first one. We'll take the square root of 49. Well, square root of 49 is going to be 7. So square root of 49, should put that square root up there. So that 7 is not between 6 and 7. All right, so that's not the one we want. All right, next one, square root of 35. Oops, helps if I do that right. Well, you know what? matter of fact, let's, oh, 35. Okay, square root of 35. So now you see we're running into a bit of a problem. That's okay. Let's think about this. Square root of a number is between 6 and 7. Well, let's think of it like this. If we're looking for something between 6 and 7, if we're doing that, let's take 6 squared. Well, we know 6 squared is going to be 36. And we're going to go look at 7 squared. We already know, of course, too, that 7 squared is 49. So what we're looking for really is something between these two numbers, between 36 and 49. So there we can see the only thing between, or the only two between 36 and 49, 39 and 45. Those two values between 36 and 49. All right, value of square root of 124 is between which two integers? We're going to try that same thing. So for example, the first choice between 5 and 6. Well, 5 squared is equal to 25. 6 squared is equal to 36. So that's no good. Six squared, let's see if we can do this a little bit neater here. 36. 7 squared is 49. Okay, no good there. We're looking for something between where 124 might be. Now 13 squared. 13 squared is 169. Show you here. 3 squared. Okay. So right now we can already see 169. We're already past the 124. So that one's out. So it's got to be here. 11 squared is 121. 12 squared is 144. So we can see that this 124 sits right between there. It's between 121 and 144. So that's the one we're looking for. Okay, value of the third root of 29. Well, we might as well just come back over here for the calculator. It might be a little easier. So let's take the third root of 29. Okay, 3.07. So it's between 3 and 4. And one last one, expression equal to the square root of 48. Let's do this. Square root of 48, that's equal to the square root of 16 times the square root of 3. All right, now, can't do much with the square root of 3. I'm going to circle that. But we know that the square root of 16 is 4. So you end up with 4 radical 3. Like that. Well, good luck. Good luck.